Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Cook or heat in a microwave oven. You can microwave the leftovers. Microcook, nuke, zap. Kitchen appliance that cooks food by passing an electromagnetic wave through it. Heat results from the absorption of energy by the water molecules in the food. Microwave oven. A short electromagnetic wave, longer than infrared but shorter than radio waves, used for radar and microwave ovens and for transmitting telephone, facsimile, video and data.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.